Hello, greetings. Today we'll be testing out how to scale static orb to millions of damage. As a basic discussion, static orb, although the scaling tag says lightning, spell, area, and intelligence, it's actually scaling off the maximum mana because of this particular node, which says that you get multiplicative damage for every point of max mana that you have. That is why, in order to increase the damage of static orb, we get mana, percent mana, and attunement. Attunement is a skill, is an attribute that grants you 2 mana and improves skills that rely on innate magic. Now, in order to show how much of an impact mana does to this build, I am going to show you that the static orb is 865,000 damage when I have my gloves. My gloves has attunement on the prefix and attunement at the close to the very bottom as part of its innate unique stats. So without it, 717,000. With it, 865,000. So by losing that amount of mana, I lose 100,000 points of damage as DPS. So again, in order to get mana, we need attunement, mana flat, and mana percentages. Another thing is the crit chance. You want to have crit chance because that's also a multiplier. Crit chance and crit damage. So with that basics out of the way, let's talk about how to buff this unbuff number. One way is through a passive called Arcane Momentum, which gives me spell damage per stack. So to test that out, I am going to use Frost Claw in order to proc Arcane Momentum. So here, 1 stack, 2 stack, 3 stack, 4 stack, 5 stack, and that reaches around 1.3 million points of damage. The problem with Arcane Momentum is that it caps out at 5 stack. There's no way that we can do it infinitely. In order to do the infinitely, Momentum is not the key. The key is through Arcane Ascendance. So what we're gonna do is we are going to use Arcane Ascendance, teleported, and then I use Arcane Ascendance. You notice at the start, my mana is not going down. That is because I got mana regen. And this is the Arcane Ascendance thing. And with that, you notice that my static orb damage is increasing also slowly. It is increasing very slowly, but it is increasing nevertheless. And the more it is increasing, you notice that my mana is now draining. It's now draining all the way down. Now, let's try to wait until this thing reaches 500. No, not 500. 5 million. And then we'll blast the training dummy to see how much damage we have. I am not sure about the results of this. That is why I'm taking this video and then slowing it down to see the damage, because this will be a barrage of damage. Let's see. Okay, so that does not affect, the jump does not affect the damage actually. And also, if I do this, the focus, I am beating out the mana cost of Arcane Ascendance with my focus. And since I have overcharge, you should go even max mana. I think at some point, the max Arcane Ascendance should beat out my focus. It's not. It's not beating out my focus. I can't believe this would be infinite. 4M. So it's now, wow. Seriously though? Yeah, that's a decay, but that's a decay because of reaching max mana. That is not a decay. That is not a decay because of Arcane Ascendance. I have no idea how much this is gonna go. But honestly, it's quite boring to wait around. I think that the accelerated downgrade is because of the ascendance now. It's no longer the decay, it's the ascendance. 8 million. If I run out of mana, Arcane Ascendance automatically stops. Recast Focus? Nah, it does not. Okay. The mana drain is insane. Okay, need to blow this up. Okay. I could not see the numbers. So I need to go back and see those numbers in this video. So, you notice that the tooltip of Static Orb reached around 10 million, and I need to see how much damage it's really doing. The way it usually happens, if it's advertised as 10 million, the actual damage is only 5 million because of the defenses of the enemy. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.